Today, we're talking about the three words that can either win you enterprise clients or kill your AI automation deal: risk, data privacy, and guardrails. If you sell AI automations and clients get nervous, this is your playbook to close confidently, without overpromising and without triggering panic. There's a moment in almost every sales call when the temperature changes. A client leans in and asks, "Where does our data go? Do you train the AI on it? What if it makes a mistake?" If you can't answer in 30 seconds, you don't just lose the deal, you lose trust. So let's build a simple, client-safe way to explain what you're doing. Here's the framework. Pillar 1, risk. What can go wrong and what needs human approval? Pillar 2, data privacy. A simple data map and what you actually send to the model. Pillar 3, guardrails. The control stack that makes the system safe, testable, and reversible. Clients don't fear AI, they fear unknown risk. Most concerns collapse into three buckets: data leakage, customer data ending up where it shouldn't; wrong outputs, hallucinations, or bad decisions; compliance and reputation. Can they defend us to security, legal, or leadership? Your job is to make risk visible and managed. Risk is not a switch, it's a ladder. Low risk, internal drafts and summaries. Medium risk, outbound content that a human approves. Higher risk, customer-facing assistance. And high-impact risk, automations that execute actions. Refunds, account changes, approvals. Here's the rule: the higher the impact, the tighter the controls, and the more human gating you add. My favorite sales-friendly tool is a simple 3x3 matrix. Impact times likelihood. Marketing drafts, low impact. Invoice categorization, ... Medium. Auto refunds or payouts, higher impact, so it needs stricter permissions, validation, and a rollback plan. This is what makes clients feel safe. You're not trusting the model, you're designing a system. Here's the process you can literally put into your proposals. Define the outcome, list failure modes, add guardrails, monitor and log, have a rollback plan, and the magic move: turn this into a deliverable. An AI risk and privacy appendix, plus a controlled pilot plan. That's how you look enterprise-ready. Data privacy starts with one thing: a data map. Client systems, CRM, docs, inbox, feed an automation layer. The automation layer talks to an LLM provider through an API. Outputs go back into email, CRM, or tickets. And crucially, secrets and sensitive fields live in a separate PII vault, and logs are redacted. If you can draw the data map, you can speak confidently about privacy. Most AI automations do not need raw PII inside the prompt. Before, you send the whole customer record: name, email, phone, address. Notes: after, you send only what's necessary plus placeholders like customer name. This one change alone reduces risk dramatically and makes security reviews easier. On calls, keep privacy language simple. Here's a checklist you can say out loud. We classify data, minimize what we send, redact PII, restrict access, time limit retention, review vendor data handling terms, and we have an incident and rollback plan. Important note: I'm not giving legal advice here. Your job is to align with the client's policy and requirements. Guardrails are a stack, not a feature. You layer controls from bottom to top: input sanitization, prompt rules, tool permissions, output validation, human approval, and monitoring. If you're starting today, start with these three: PII redaction, output validation, human gate on actions, then expand based on the risk matrix. When clients hear AI, they imagine four disasters: hallucinations, prompt injection, data exfiltration, and tool abuse. Your advantage is naming these calmly and pairing each with a mitigation. Validators: allow lists, redaction, least privilege, approvals, rate limits, kill switch. That's how you turn fear into confidence. Here are 12 practical controls, written in non-scary language, perfect for proposals and questionnaires. Prevention, minimization, redaction, allow lists, least privilege, structured outputs. Detection, validators, injection tests, evals, anomaly alerts, audit logs. Response, kill switch, rollback plan, escalation. Incident workflow, postmortems, clients by outcomes. Your controls are the confidence. Now let's talk about language. One-liner. We design automations with a trust stack. Data map, minimization, guardrails. ... Approvals, monitoring. 30-second version. Data map, redact PII, validate outputs, human gate high-impact actions, monitor and rollback. If they asked, "Do you train on our data?" you answer, "We follow your policy. We minimize what's sent, and we can route sensitive fields through redaction or private storage. If needed, we choose vendors and settings aligned with your data handling requirements." Here's how you make trust an upsell, end-to-end. Not a blocker, productize it. Starter, safe pilot and human-approved outbound. Growth, risk matrix plus validators plus monitoring. Enterprise, governance support, policy alignment, and deeper reporting. This turns risk concerns into a clear upgrade path. To make AI feel safe, you roll it out like a controlled system. Days 1 to 2, discovery and data map. Days 3 to 5, build plus guardrails. Days 6 to 8, testing and evals. Days 9 to 10, pilot with human gating. Week 2, monitoring and handover. Control beats hype every time. These are the questions you must answer cleanly. Where does data go? Is it stored? Who can access it? Can the AI take actions? What if it's wrong? Can we turn it off? Have short, confident answers. Offer options. That's what closes. Quick recap. Map the data. Quantify risk. Stack guardrails. I'll drop an AI risk and privacy checklist link in the description so you can reuse it in proposals. Subscribe to AI Business Autopilot for weekly automation playbooks. And if you want help designing a trust-safe automation, book a consult.